Yeah, everybody know you can check out my channel. She on there. Yeah, she on there. Yeah. Let me see.
Scott number 2.
Okay.
With a 359.
With the 359, guys.
Number 3 with a 359.
359.
Racer number 4 with a 367.
367, guys.
Smith number 5 with a 379.
370.
Kevin Hargett number 6.
Kevin
With a
Hargett.
391. Charles Latier number 7 with a 408.
This is my
And
YouTube
James
channel.
Satterwhite number 8.
Okay.
Sticking with his 517 from the first run.
What's up with it?
There will be one more round of qualifying tomorrow.
One more round. Look out.
Roughly 7:30.
Oh, I gave you one.
And then we'll go
I don't
into
remember that.
eliminations.
Hey, look out. I got an extra card for you.
Man, I've been waiting to see you, dude. I watch your videos all the time.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I've liked them and did everything.
For real? You like them, everything?
Yeah, I'm Randy D, man.
Randy D, you be coming?
Yeah, I just
And we're
crashed
going to
my
put about
car.
a
Oh, you did?
15-minute call on the staging lanes. If you want to make another run, you got about
Y'all, he done
15
crashed his
minutes
car, y'all.
to bring them up to the lane. And then we'll call it a night.
57 times at 128 miles an hour.
You was at 128? 128?
I didn't think I'd see you. You gonna be back tomorrow?
I don't know where I'm gonna be at yet.
I'm in the right lane. Started up.
Damn. Oh, it's flipping. Damn. You was driving? Yeah, that's it.
Are you on live right now?
Yeah, we live.
How? Where am I going?
Right here, look. It's it. Live. You gotta subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Yeah, hit the notification. Oh, y'all already on. Oh, we on, yeah. I'm winning, y'all. Appreciate it. Y'all on there, y'all.
You're doing an awesome job.
Already, thank you, man. Let's see if it still look like I can beat him. He'd have been a Stefco. That's my boy. I know he ain't leaving. Okay. I gave you a card. Man, I gotta find some new people now, y'all. y'all. Yeah, it look like he's still in my class.